Fine. So, good evening to you all. Your unit number 12 is over, or still some portions are pending. Your unit number 12 is over, right. So, if the unit number 12 is over, we are going to start unit number 14. Unit number 14, right? Reflection and refraction of waves is your heading. Reflection and refraction of waves is your heading. In this one, first of all, we are going to speak about how light rays are reflecting, right? With an experimental video, we are starting our lesson, okay? With an experimental video, we are starting our lesson. Reflection of light experiment, right? Here, actually, we can do this one in the class, but visibility will be a problem. That's why I'm not trying it. Okay. Here, this is a light source. This is a reflecting surface. From the light source, you are sending a light ray to fall on the, you are sending a light ray to fall on the reflecting surface. After reflection, the light ray is moving this way. So this nature is called reflection. From the light source, a light ray is moving. The moving light ray falls on the reflecting surface. From that place, the light ray is going in another direction, okay, in this manner. Okay, this change is called reflection. Okay, in this small video, you are first observing that idea, reflection. Okay, now fine. Now you take your tube in the hands. In the tube, you are given, okay, in the tube you are given the reflection picture. Okay, the reflection picture. Are you given the reflection picture? Are you given the reflection picture? Okay. Now, if we take the reflection picture, have they marked it this way? Have they marked it this way? Yes. So you mark this one, okay, as the mirror. As the mirror. And in the mirror, this is the reflecting surface. You mark it down, the reflecting surface. There is a mirror, it has a reflecting surface. Okay. Have you marked it? Okay. Now, my children, you are sending a light ray in this manner onto this reflecting surface. It hits one place in the reflecting surface. What is the name given to this ray? What is the, you can type it, or you can orally tell it. Both the choices are there. It's your choice. What form you are choosing. I want your contribution. How do you call this ray? It is incident ray. Good. The place where it is falling on the reflecting surface. So this is the incident ray. Incident ray. Okay. The place where it is falling on the reflecting surface. How do you call it? Okay. What is the name given to this point then? How do you call it? Tell will you, tell will you. It is called point of incident. Point of incident. After reflection, the light ray is moving this way. Am I right? Am I right? How do you call this ray? Reflecting ray. Reflecting ray. This is reflecting ray. Right. Reflecting ray. In the point of incident, they have drawn a broken line there. Am I right? In the point of incidence, they have drawn a broken line there. What is the name given to this broken line? What is the name given to this broken line? You can call it normal, or you can call it normal line. Normal you can call, or normal line you can call. Okay, remember the angle between reflecting surface and the normal, the angle between the reflecting surface and the normal is 90 degree. How much? The angle between the reflecting surface and the normal is how much? 90 degrees. Thereafter, we introduce this angle. What is the name given for this angle? How do you call this angle? Angle of incidence. How do you call this angle? Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. So, in an exam paper, they might ask you any one of these. In an exam paper, they might ask you any one of these. You should be able to identify. Could you be able to identify? Right. Now, in the under the picture, you are given 6 points there. Read those 6 points and tell me whether you can understand those 6 points. Already, what is here, they have written in the words. Can you be able to understand those 6 points? Can you be able to understand those 6 points? So, no need to explain it. Am I right? No need to explain it. Okay. Now we come to the next idea. What is the heading for you? What is the heading for you? Laws of reflection. Check your note and tell me how many laws are there for reflection. How many laws are there for reflection? Two laws are there. Right. The first law and second law we will try to understand using this video. Okay. Laws of reflection of light.
Do press the bell icon on the YouTube app and you will never miss any new videos that we release.
Now, there is a light beam. Am I right? There's a light beam. Can you see the light beam? Can you see the light beam? Yes. The light beam is coming this way. Yes or no? See it carefully. The light beam's light source is up. The light beam is coming this way. Correct? Right. Now let's have a look. Now, not keeping in one place. Right. Let's keep here. Now, my children, if you take this line is going to be the normal. This line is going to be the normal. Understood? Do you understand it? Hello? சொல்லுங்க சுனே நீ ஜாயின் ஆகலையா இந்த கிளாஸுக்கு இன்னும் நீங்க குரூப்ல ஜாயின் ஆகலையோ அத கொஞ்சம் அலர்ட்டா இருந்து செஞ்சு கொள்ளணும் ஒவ்வொரு கிழமையும் ஒரு தொண்ணூறு மிஸ் ஆயிடுதே கொஞ்சம் அலர்ட்டா இருந்து செஞ்சு கொள்ளணும் நீங்க சொல்லாட்டி நான் அனுப்பிக்கவே மாட்டேன் நான் இப்ப உடனே அனுப்பி விடுறேன் சரியா right now the light ray is coming in this way, falls here and going this way. Correct or not? So, you tell me, looking at the one, you tell me, what is the angle here? The protractor is in your visibility. What is the angle here? That means I don't want the name, I want the value. I want the value. What is the value of this angle? Let's see who is sketching that one. One answer has come correct. Two people have told three, only two has told the correct answer. Here in the original, what is the angle here? Tell me. All of you can see that one, no? What is the angle here? 40 degree. What is the angle here? $90. 40 to 90, how many degrees are there? 40 to 90, how many degrees are there? $50. Okay. Same way, can you be able to tell the angle here? Right side angle. So experimentally, I have showed you angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Angle of incidence is 50 degree, mean angle of reflection is also 50 degree. Can you accept it? Angle of incidence 50 degree mean angle of reflection is also 50 degree. Can everybody accept it? Yet I have received only 3 responses. I'm waiting for other people, everyone to respond. Do you agree angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal from this look? Amna Mustafa. Amna Mustafa. What is the angle here, Amna Mustafa? Amna Mustafa, what is the angle here? It is angle of incidence, so angle of reflection. Incidence. What is the value here, Amna Mustafa? It is angle of incidence, so angle of reflection. And are they equal or not equal? Angle of incidence and angle of reflection, are they equal or not equal? Okay. Now, let's go to the second, one law. Now it is over. One law is over. Another law I'm going to work here. For that one, our first video, okay, reflection of light video would be better rather than this others. Okay, this video is better. My children, I take the front part of this video. This is enough for me. Now, okay, this is enough for me. What is the light ray here? What is the light ray here? Incident ray. Good. Where is the incident ray here? Where is the incident ray here? Where is the incident ray? Can anyone tell me? Incident ray is coming from the torch. It is on. So, right, I'll ask this way. What is this? This white color material, what is this? It's a paper like, right? It's a paper, it's a surface, it's a paper like. Am I right? It's a paper. So the incident ray is on the paper. The incident ray is on the paper surface. Am I right? The incident ray is on the paper surface. Write your answers quickly. Now, Onalidua is doing nice. She put Y. Y only. Y is enough for me. But make it quick. That's very, very important. I don't expect you to write yes. You just put a Y. That is enough for me. But work should be quick, and all should respond to it. Okay. If it is on the surface, this reflecting ray also will be on the paper surface. If the incident ray is on the paper surface, where would be the reflecting ray? Where would be the reflecting ray? On the paper surface, on the paper surface, on the paper surface. Okay, right. If you draw a normal here, you would draw the normal from the point of incidence, from the point of incidence in this manner. Am I right? Am I right? Is this the way of drawing the normal? Is this the way of drawing the normal? No. Oshadi? No. I have drawn this to have 90 degrees between the reflecting surface and the normal. Oshadi? Oshadi, respond to me. Is the normal correct? Is the normal correct? What is the mistake, Oshadi, you see here? Can you tell the mistake you observe here, ma? Normal line is correct. Then what is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong here? Right. So the incident ray, if it is on the paper surface, reflecting ray also will be on the paper surface. Normal also will be on the paper surface. This is the second law of reflection. Can everybody understand the second law of reflection? Right. Now, you are first time today get an important work. I think in the total series, This work I am giving you, this is the first time, right? But last week I gave that one to the Akurana students and they completed it very successfully. They completed it very successfully. The Akurana boys, okay, they very successfully completed it. You are going to do it for this week. Okay. In the note you are given, here, how the points are there or no? Here to here. How many points are there? Including the word laws of reflection, how many points are there? So the point is, there are 9 points there. With the word laws of reflection, there are 9 points there. The important point here is, really, in my mindset, learning is a practice. I always believe learning is a practice. If a person wants to succeed, just knowledge gives him very less. Practice gives him a lot. Just the knowledge gives him very, very less. When he used to it, when he practices it, okay, he will gain a lot. This is what I am expecting from my students. Okay, you are also very, very, very near to enter your grade 10. Okay, you are very near to enter your grade 10. In grade 10, you will get so many things to practice. That practice only will make you the perfect person. So this is a trial. This is a trial. Okay, whether you will practice or not, to identify it, I am bringing a trial on you. Okay, the point it is, if you do this one successfully, that will give me a confidence. Okay, these ones will do, these ones will get ready. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. Last Wednesday, I gave this work to the grade 9 boys of Akurana who are doing a separate online class with me in grade 9. They were with me in the grade 9 in Akurana, so that is continuing. Only boys are there. They are continuing. I gave them with a fear. Will these guys do it? But for my happiness, they will did it. They will did it. Okay, enthusiasm, interest, the only thing that can make that kind of works in the children like you in this age. Okay, only thing, nothing special. These 9 points you have to memorize. You might think, To memorize, you are putting all these things, all these building words, you are telling to just to memorize these 9. Ehimenemi, ehimenemi, ehimenemi. I will give you only 1 day for memorizing. Okay? After memorizing, tomorrow onwards, until coming Tuesday, you have to daily, orally send me a voice record pointing these 9 points. Sending in the group, sending in private is your choice. Including Rafa, you have to send me in the voice record. Okay, though I am here with her, there's no choice for that. Have to send me in the voice record. Only thing I'm asking is, will you? I am writing the name of the children who are telling yes. Then only I will get to know who is staying without any response. It's a daily work. One more thing, Irfan sir is little clever in his works. A recording, now sometimes some people can, now let me write these names because I will forget. I will forget. Those who told yes, only Rafa, Sakina, Ashik, Hishma, Amna, Saada, Zainab, Husni, Zahra, Ayami, Oshadi, Safni. Only one man is missing. Right. So you have to daily. Time is your choice. Time is your choice. I will not tell okay, do in this time. I will not tell that. Time is your choice. But every day, okay, remember, some people can do this way. Recording one, sending daily the same. Remember, how much you try it, your recording time will not be perfectly the same. Today, if you are spending 1 minute 10 second mean, next time you might take some little less or more. I will record that time and see anyone sending the same recording again and again. Are you clear? There can be certain thoughts that can come in that manner, right? So hope you will not do that kind of things. Okay. So with that one, that is your work, right? You are going to prove that you will become a good practicing person. You will be a good practicing person. Okay. In future also. Okay. O level, you are entering O level, keep in the mind. You are entering O levels, your practices will be very powerful. Okay. Compared to any other batches in the past, your practices will be very powerful. Because of this medium. In the previous batches, I didn't have this kind of WhatsApp, this kind of things. I didn't use. Even you were with me from grade 6. You were with me. I was not using WhatsApp, hearing voice records. Only waiting until you come to my place on the next week to get to hear it now. But now the work is different. Okay, because of this medium. Okay, whether we start the live classes, those works will continue. Okay, my children, in the next page, we speak about two types of reflections. What are the two types of reflections? Mean regular reflection and diffuse reflection. In the reflection, you have this picture, I think, right? You have these pictures here. What kind of rays are these? What kind of rays are these? Tell me, what is the name of those rays? What is the name of those rays? Ah, no, there's a special name. Everything is a reflection, right? Everything is a reflection. Here, if you take one reflection, okay? If you take one reflection, what are the two rays there? In one reflection, what are the two rays there? Tell me this way, whether it is an incident ray or reflected ray. Incident ray or reflected ray. Right. So let's label them. Let us label them. Okay, by combining two words, let us label them. Parallel incident rays. Parallel incident rays. Label them. Parallel incident rays. In that manner, if you are giving a name for these, what is the name you will give? Parallel reflecting rays. Parallel reflecting rays. Parallel reflecting rays. Okay, right. Here, if you take this surface, is it a straight one or there are up and downs in it? Is it a straight one or there are up and downs in it? It is a straight one. It's a straight one. So if it's a straight one, you have to call it, it is a smooth surface. Why it is called? Smooth surface? Why it is called smooth surface? Because it is a straight one. Because a straight one, we call it a smooth surface. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear? Right. Have you marked everything here? Parallel incident ray, parallel reflecting ray, smooth surface, everything you marked? Yes, good. So coming to the right side picture, right. What kind of incident rays are these? Are they parallel, not parallel? What about them? Remember here this arrow has been missed, but that is not a bigger issue. Parallel, not parallel, what about? Not parallel. Not parallel. So what is the quality you want for parallel? What is the quality you want for parallel? What is the quality you want for parallel? No, I'm asking the incident rays. You have studied mathematics. I'm asking the incident rays. Are they, what type of they are? So they are parallel incident rays. There's no any changes in it. They are parallel incident rays. There's no any change in it. Mark it down. Right. If you now come to these one, they are only we can notice the different component. What kind of rays are these? Diffused. I have told one word, diffused. Complete the word then. Diffused. Diffused reflecting rays, not reflected rays, reflecting rays. Diffused reflecting rays. Mark it, mark it, mark it. Okay, completed. Diffused reflecting rays. Mark it down. Another one more thing you have to mark here. What kind of surface is this? Is it a smooth one or a rough one? Is it a smooth one or a rough one? So mark the rough surface there. Mark the rough surface there. Okay. So your textbook says certain ideas. So if we take these two pictures, in which feature, in which characters they are different? In which characters they are different? One, it is the reflecting rays. Another one in the good. There are two features it is different. There are two features it is different. Good. So your textbook says, right, these places, okay, now they say instances where regular reflection is useful. One, they say regular reflection is commonly found when using mirrors. We are using mirrors in these places to watch one's own face and to use a light microscope, commonly found, okay, to create vivid light patterns this way and to get information of the motion of machines, parts in industrial plants, something that way. And for diffused one, they told when you see a tree, when you read a book, those ones are example for diffuse reflection. So here we don't want to go for very details asking why and what and how and when. We just can, okay, you are telling these three are irregular reflection, okay, these two are diffuse reflection, okay, that way moving is very easy, okay, without wasting the time. Okay, now, so thereafter, you are coming to the heading, page number 3 you are coming, page number 3 you are coming. In page number 3, this is given to you. How image is created in a plane mirror is shown to you. How image is created in a plane mirror is shown to you. Okay, a color picture is there in your textbook. Now I'm going to do small work with you. Right here, this is the picture. Here, this is one incident ray. This is its reflected ray. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Can you take the protractor and measure the angle of incidence and angle of reflection and tell me whether this diagram has been drawn according to laws of reflection? You have to do it for both the lines there. You have to do it for both the lines here. There are two reflections shown to you. For both of them, you have to work out it and tell me whether it has been drawn according to laws of reflection. You find the angle of incidence and angle of reflection and tell me. Two people have responded, waiting for others' response. They are drawn correctly. They are drawn correctly. Good. So the angle for the if you take the incidence angle for the blue line in the picture I have drawn blue, right? The blue line and the green line angle of incidence, if you take, which one is bigger? The blue line angle of incidence, the green line angle of incidence, which one is bigger? The green line. Can everyone accept it? Can everyone accept it? No, they are not equal. Ashik, they are not equal. You are measure. You didn't, I think Ashik didn't understand my question. The blue rays incident angle and the green rays incident angle, are they equal, Ashik? You measured both the angles. Without answer, you are saying yes or no. Right. So if I drove another line in this manner, can you draw another line here? Draw the normal, measure the angle of incidence, draw the reflected line. I have drawn the incident ray only. You are going to draw the normal line. You are going to draw the reflected line. Draw it. Right. If you draw it, right, it would be moving this way now. This part, if you extend it, I really not, it's not easy for me to draw here using this format. No broken line choices are there. You have to draw it with the broken line. Okay, it should come and touch this one. Is it happening? Is it happening? It's linky. ഭയങ്കര sticky-na ഒന്നും ചെയ്യില്ല. Remember, in exam paper, they will not ask you to draw this. Okay. In this picture, measure this distance and tell me how much. I'm asking only the object distance. I'm asking only the object distance. How much is the object distance? Amna, careful. Amna Mustafa. I asked you to measure from here to here. Object distance. Measure and tell me, each of you. Okay. Three and 3.5. 3.5. Majority says 3.4, 3.5. That's a small confusion. 3.4 or 3.5. In my ruler it is 3.2. In my ruler it is 3.2. You are measuring the book picture or my tube picture. That would be another thing. You are measuring my the book picture or my tube picture. Tube picture is 3.2. Tube picture is 3.2. It's not going to 3.4. Check it carefully. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, 3.4. So what about the image distance? What about the image distance? So object distance and image distance are equal. Object distance and image distance are equal. That is the catch point. That is the catch point. So in exam papers, those things they will ask. They will ask you to identify the object. They will ask you to identify the image. They will ask you to identify the object distance, ask you to identify the image distance, and they might ask you what is the connection between the object distance and image distance. Can you be able to answer those questions? Okay. So if we take a plain mirror, daily, a portion of our life, okay, tell me today you stood in front of the mirror or not? Tell me today whether you stood in front of the mirror or not. Yes. You see yourself inside the mirror. Am I right? You see yourself inside the mirror. What you see inside is called your image. What you see inside is called your image. That image has 5 properties. What are the properties? Virtual, in brackets written, cannot be taken onto a screen. Upright, equal to the size of the object. Your size and the image size are equal. Image is not bigger than you. Image is not smaller than you. Your size and image size are equal. Next it is distance. Your distance and image distance are equal. From which point you measure this distance? From which, okay, which place to which place you call object distance? Say you are standing in front of the mirror. Which one you will call object distance? Say you are standing in front of the mirror. Which one you will call object distance? You are the object. You are the object. If you stand in front of the mirror, you are the object. So which distance you will call object distance? Understood this question? You are standing in front of a mirror. Which distance you will call? Now you are the object. You stand in front of the mirror. Which distance you will call object distance? அது வைங்க முழுக்க எதையா வச்சாதான் பிரச்சனை. Here I keep in front of I stand in front of a mirror. Okay. Which one you call object distance? Object distance is the distance between you and the mirror. The object, you are the object and the mirror. Object distance. Image is where? Where is the image? Is it here? Is the image here? 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 Is it here the image? Is it here the image? No. Image is here. Am I right? When you see you, the image is here. Am I right? So image is inside the mirror. Image is inside the mirror. Is the image coming out? Is the image coming out of the mirror? Tell me. Respond to me. Is the image coming out of the mirror? Is the image coming out of the mirror? Shafneen, your image is inside the mirror or out of the mirror? Your image is inside the mirror or out of the mirror? This is inside, this is out. Inside the mirror or out of the mirror? Inside the mirror, image will not come out. Outside the mirror, image will come out. Now, all of you have seen projector usage. Have you seen? Have you seen a projector? Yes. We fold the image on the screen. Yes or no? When this is the projector, from here there is a light coming and fall on the screen. Yes or no? That image is coming out of the projector or staying inside the projector. Projector image is coming out of the projector or staying inside the projector. Coming out of the projector. Or I'm asking about the projector. Coming out of the projector or staying inside the projector. Coming out. Coming out. If it comes out, you can put it on a screen and see that one. Because it comes out, you can put it on a screen and see that one. Have you used a microscope in your life? Have you used a microscope in your life? Tell me. Have you used a microscope in your life? Yes. So you have seen in a microscope. You have seen in a microscope. What you see is the image. Where is the image? Inside the microscope or outside the microscope? Hmm? Inside. Can you put that microscope image on a screen? Projector image you can put on a screen because it's coming out. Microscope image, can you put it on a screen? You have to see inside the microscope. So, if you can put it on a screen, it has to come out. If it is coming out and you can put it on a screen, it is called real image. What is the name given? What is the name given? Real image. If it stands inside the one, we call it virtual image. What kind of image is coming in a projector? What kind of image is coming in a projector? Real or virtual? In a projector, what kind of image is coming? Real is coming. In a microscope, what kind of image is coming? In a microscope, what kind of image is coming? Virtual. If it is virtual, can you put it on a screen? No. In a mirror, what kind of image is coming? Good. So, can everyone understand real and virtual? Can everyone understand real and virtual? Right. See these other properties. Anything you want to clarify? Can you be able to understand all the properties mentioned here? Do you want to clarify any one of them? Do you want to understand any one of them? Swapnil, do you want to understand any one of them? Anyway, lateral inversion. I have to tell you that one. If you raise your right hand, the image in front of you will raise the left hand. Right will appear left, left will appear right. That is called by the name lateral inversion. Are you clear? Are you clear? Right will appear left, left will appear right. And thereafter, use of plane mirrors are given to you. 1 to 6 points are given to you. First thing says, used in beauty salons and to watch one's face for dressing. In the pictures, which picture shows you that? Have you got the pictures? Which picture shows you that? Mark that number next to the first use. In shops, to show the number of items increased, more item, only few are there, showing more. Which number shows you that? Like that, you complete it 14 points. So don't tell 1, 2, 3, the figure numbers are there. I have kept the figure numbers for you to write those figure numbers when the class is going on. Okay. So from that point, we will meet in next class.